So guys, you've clicked on this video because you're interested in Minecraft server hosting. Well, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started with Minecraft server hosting and how to get off of those pesky free hosts. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, to start off, the first thing you want to do is head to the site billing.hostmc.fun. That's going to take you to the HostMc site where you can get your server. We're going to view the pricing and configure a really basic server. I'm just going for 2 gigabytes of RAM. Let's go ahead, configure the server, and continue to checkout. Just for you watching this video, I've got a promo code, SUMMER15. Apply that and you'll get 15% off on your HostMc server. As you can see, discount applied successfully. Once your server is configured and payment is done, jump into the panel. It will look something like this. Let's open the console and start the server. That's it, go make a cup of tea and by the time you're back, your server is ready. The IP address of the server is shown right here. Now if you jump into Minecraft, you'll see the server is ready to go. Just copy paste the IP and connect. The cool thing is that HostMc servers are 24/7 secure and come with DDoS protection. HostMc supports mod packs, different Minecraft versions like NeoForge, Paper, Fabric, and Forge, basically anything you need. If you want to change your server software like Paper to Fabric, then open a ticket in our Discord support ticket section and the staff will reach you out. You don't have to worry about downtime or the usual problems with free hosts. Our servers have 99.9% uptime. Another awesome feature is the plugin section. You can install mod packs from popular websites like papermc.io and spigotamc.org, and then go to Files section and upload your .jar file here. So if you're looking for reliable Minecraft server hosting and want to skip all the stress, check out HostMc. Let me know in the comments if you face any issues. I'll help you out. That's how to create a Minecraft server easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.